Today we're working on the 1996 Mazda Miata, and the front right wheel hub is a bit worn. The way to check is to feel for play. As you can see there, it's wiggling back and forth, both that way and this way. If it was just one direction, I'd want to keep an eye on my ball joint or tie rod, but I've replaced those very recently. And I know those are good. So we're going to take the wheel off and replace that hub. Two 14mm bolts on the back side of the caliper mount. What about here? Alright, now we gotta take this, get our rotor off. Now we just get our hubbarooski off with this big nut. 1.1 inch. There we have it. Alright, we'll hit that with a torque wrench. R10, give it a couple spins, make sure it's nice and square on there. Maybe with 130. That ain't going anywhere. Our rotor back on. Put our brake back on. These guys should be torqued to around 45 pounds, I guess.